Looking for the best wood chisel sets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 wood chisel sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Narex Woodworking Chisel Set, 4-piece. Quality of wooden handles is very good. Chrome manganese steel in the chisel blades will last a long time. Uses a 25 degrees bevel. Includes 4 distinct sizes of tools, ranging in blade width from 0.25 inches to 1.04 inches. Made by a small European tool manufacturer that receives high marks for build quality. Excellent build quality in these tools. Good range of chisel sizes in a set for handling a variety of jobs. Steel may not be hard enough to precisely hold edge under high-stress jobs. At number 2. VonHaus Woodworking Chisel Set, 8-piece. Offers chrome vanadium steel alloy blades that should last a long time. Works well for basic jobs around the house. 6 chisels, honing guide, and sharpening stone, a complete kit at a great price. Blades range from 0.25 inches to 1.5 inches wide. Good value in a set that contains 6 different chisels and carrying case. Handles are comfortable to use. Chisels won't stand up well to heavy-duty use. May need sharpening out of the box. At number 1. Stanley Sweetheart Socket Chisel Set, 4-piece. Chisel blades consist of a top-quality high-carbon chrome steel that will last. 4 different chisel widths included, ranging from 0.25 inches to 1 inch. Blades are thinner and longer than average, which works well for precise woodworking needs. Handles are a great shape with a sturdy wood design. Features tried and true design. Classic chisel design from a well-known manufacturer. Extra long blade is ideal for woodworking. Higher price than some other chisel sets. Not as durable as older Stanley chisel sets. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.